friends, it's me, Hammie the Pixie Pig. Today we're going to have so much fun learning the sounds that farm animals make. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first farm animal is going to be a cow. I bet you know the sound a cow makes. Let's give it a try together. Moo, moo. Can you make a cow sound? Wow, that was a great moo. Good job. Next, we're going to talk about a duck. Can you waddle like a duck? I love when ducks walk and their butts waddle. It's so cute. But they make a sound like this. Quack, 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 quack. Can you do that? Aren't ducks just the cutest? I just love them. They're a little bit messy, but they're still cute. Great job, kids. Now we're going to talk about the sounds a sheep makes. Do you know what kind of sound they make? I think they go like this. Ba, ba. Let's see. Can you make a sound just like a sheep? Let me hear it. Great job. You sounded just like a real sheep. Now we're gonna hear a horse. I love horses. They are my favorite. I love just watching them run free. They're so happy. I bet you're gonna love our next animal. We're gonna hear a lion. Can you growl loud like a lion? Let me hear you growl so loud. Wow, lions can just roar. They are just amazing creatures. Our next friend is just so cute. I just want to cuddle with her. We have a lot of barn cats here on the farm, but this one's a little kitten and she makes the cutest meows and purr sounds. Isn't that just adorable? She's so cute. Okay, friends, now we're going to talk about me. What sounds do pigs make? Cute ones, because I'm so cute, Hammie the Pixie Pig. But I bet you can't guess. They go oink, oink, oink. Not that I'm admitting to this, but pigs make a lot of different noises. When they're happy, when they're mad, when they're hungry, there's a lot of different noises. I'm never going to admit to making bad noises when I'm mad. My mom puts me in timeout for it, but I don't think that I ever do that. I mean, if she would just feed me all the time, then I would never have to grunt loud. But whatever. Okay, our next friend is probably the most popular pet that people have, and that is a dog. Do you have a dog? And if so, what's your dog's name? Do you know what sound a dog makes? I bet you do. Let's hear your best bark. Such a cute dog. Did you notice that one of her eyes is blue and one is brown? She's got such pretty eyes and she's very well trained. Well, friends, that's it for today. We have a storm rolling in, so I need to go get the barn ready, put all the animals away. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.